hope you all keeping safe at home, stay at home. Yes, today again, another week, another training session. Hope you last week enjoyed all the drills, and to get better you must be doing often. You train until you get better. There's no always different techniques, but you have to perfect one technique, good at it, and then move to others. Because you are at home, you get bored, so I'm going to spice up today to be a mixture of stuff. Because fusion fighting system, we use different styles, example, different martial arts, multiple styles. So here I'm gonna do like a big boxing drills. Again, it's boxing for mixed martial arts. It's not purely boxing for boxing, because we had to do groundwork. We had to use elbows, knees, kicks, on the floor. Everything together is a blender of everything. So that's what fusion fighting system is about. I'm going to give you a little bit of spice up today. Not all of them, just a couple of technique extra you're going to do today. Okay, this is what we're going to do. It's just, I know you're going to be warm up. When we start training, once you clock, before the clock you start training, you should be warm up. Now you're ready after warm up. Now you're following up me. Right, now we are here for the elbow techniques. We have in the fusion fighting system, we get 10 patterns of elbows, which make sure that pay attention. That's important to get the technique correct before you go speed, fast, or power developing. Make sure that carefully pay attention every details I gave you. So first, your feet, relaxed position, your shoulder width, example, ready position, this level, and hands up, not close. You don't need to close, open, hand, relax. So first, high elbows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's elbow pattern 10 way of attack. Means using the 10 angles. There are more angles. This is the basic 10 angles. Us. Before you start, I just want to quickly go through, which is, if you don't have any of the equipment, don't worry. Anything, even if you just put it, just table in front of you, something there just to symbolize someone standing in front of you. That's what it is. So if you don't have a cone, yes, if you have gloves, a couple of gloves, or any object, like even a piece of cardboard, anything, you just take it line, so you don't have to all this. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You don't need an 8. Maybe 5, 4, or 3. That's enough. You need to go forward and backward. So we're going to be using any object. If you have equipment, cones, it's fine. If you don't have, then use anything you at home, but you have already. So this is you don't have to have the exactly same equipment. Next, I'm going to explain to you about engage and disengage. what I mean by engage, when your opponent in front of you, that you has to have that understanding of engaging, why you're engaging, why you are distancing, or why you are retreating back with a plan. Engage first your boxing stance. I don't mind you keeping boxing stance higher, is it your thigh boxing stance or boxing stance, or grappling more lower stance, because we are doing mixed martial arts. So make sure that any good understanding of all this stance. So here, position up here. We're doing boxing. Say example, you are engaging close. Means now you are attacking, you are punching, you're kicking, your takedowns, all coming from you when you're engaging. So you disengage, step back, disengage, inviting the attacker with your plan. So your game plan. Example, I'm closer, range, back, I'm inviting, back again. The person come closer to you, now you have your plan here. So that's simply engage, disengage, and go slowly, guards up, boxing stance, forward, engage, disengage, side step, engage. When you engage, it's a shift. Your rear foot shift as well here. So now you punch, punch, uppercuts, and disengage. Step back, side step, engage. Disengage, side step, engage. Disengage, side step, engage. Disengage, side step, engage. And back. One more time. With the punch. Stay here. You can do your fake attacks from here. Fake. Engage. Back. Engage. Back. Back. Make sure. Good position, good stance, good balance. Fake, fake, fake. Fake kicks if you want. Fake kick. And engage. Back. 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 That's it. So one more time, slowly, with me. Engage. Disengage. Step side. Engage. Side. So back. Side. Step forward. Side. Step forward. Good. I hope you benefited. Hopefully next week I will be explaining more detail and your circling. We'll make sure that you get this correct understanding. So once you get this movement, the more you do, become easier, and it will be easy you to go for the attacks. Your plan. Your plan is always put forward, going forward. If it's an attacker coming closer to you, you must able to do other techniques. That will be your next session. Hey, okay, your next technique is takedown. Okay, your fake or your attack, you do jab or cross, anything you do, your target is, or your plan is, your game plan is to take down and submission from there. Okay, this is what we do. I'm going to show you slowly. Again, if you don't have a partner train with, your punching bag. If you don't have punching bag, then you just imagine it. This is how you imagine. Example, this is if you have a punching bag, or even if you imagine there's a person in front of you, this is his feet, this is your lower body. Think this is here, this part is upper body, head is here. So he's a taller person, all right? From here, now, yeah, if I am targeting his face, what is his reaction? His reaction will be covering up, looking at up. So his intention to block something. From here, up. So when you are fake, the intention is to go lower, you tackle, or the purpose of you going to restrict his movement and take his balance away and put your body mass. For example, if you're fake and when you engage, when you're punching, the end of the punch, your rear foot has to move fast. And from here fast, first here, now you grab, once you grab, restricting the person's movement. Yeah, can't move that one. Now from here, you're using the shoulder and this leg. From here, you're walking sideways. For example, from here, so that makes your body mass go through, the person go down. Okay, one more time. Here, in boxing stance, you fake or jab cross, or maybe even uppercut. Anything make the person take the intention. You're striking or some pattern of exciting person to do something. So from here, here, one, drop, grab. From here, so if you have partner or if you have bag, you'll be like this. From here, I'm faking. Here's a face level. Yeah. One, 2, 3. Grab from my arm. From here, if I'm grabbing the leg, lower, more lower is much better, and your shoulder connected. From here, go there. From here, you're unloading your punches. From there, if you want to choke from behind, you choke. Back again. Okay. Right. Yep. Grab. Shoot through to the side. Shoot. Okay, us. Okay, just reminding us. Make sure before your training, keep water next to you. Take a sip, not lots of water while you're training. And after training, make sure you hydrate. Always keep drinking lots of water. Yeah. This is not water, but this has got the vitamin C, but the water is always best. If you have water, it's the best. Okay, the next is, lastly, for this week I had to, just to catch up what we did. We did footwork, boxing footwork, elbows and takedowns. So it's not much, but if you make a plan, if you're training, well, there's got lots of time these days, so you have other things to do as well. If you're training a day, like 1 hour a day, or maybe some people might be doing more, at least half an hour or 1 hour. Set up time, set up a plan. Okay, this is what I'm going to do today. 3 rounds or 4 rounds of boxing workout, footwork and elbows, and yeah, this takedown workout. So you set up how many rounds you do. Example, if you're doing elbows, about 10 rounds, do elbows after 10 rounds, 3 sets of 10 rounds. It itself all could become like cardio workout. And if you do boxing workout, another 3 minutes round for, say 3 minutes round, 5 rounds. Or if you're doing takedowns, 15, 20 sets, or 3 rounds or 1 round. So you have a goal, your plan. You can mix and match. You can use the previous work as well into here and write it down what you're going to do now, today, or next week. Then you have a plan, then you go set up the time. So that's what you do. So when you do that, then you get better at it. So hope you enjoy, and give me any feedback, or if you have any question, because we don't have a partner. I don't have a partner because you guys keep it away, everyone away. You can't be very close. It's very difficult to have another person training with me, show technique correctly. Otherwise, you got lots of training to do, but it's difficult because I need to choose, pick and choose what to do, because only I had to face the camera. I can't do with another person. So bear in mind, still this workout is still good. When you come back to the class, hopefully we will be this difficult situation will change fast, hope, and keep hope. And then once you're back, well, we will be able to easily understand the technique. So you already practice, then when the application will be easy. So give me a call if you have any question. I will be back to you, or text me, or any feedback, any good feedback, or any concern if you have. So always I'm here for you to answer and help.